Here, see if you can get the presents out. You want to sit down? Whoa, what's that, Em?
Did you get a duck?
Yeah.
What are those?
Hand me those two things, Mommy. You want me to open that? You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, these are squirt toys. Hold on, don't mess with that. Daddy's got to put it together, Ladybug.
Em, hand these to Daddy, baby. Uh-oh.
Here you go. You take those, okay?
Em, there's more good stuff in here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.